Hi friends, welcome back to another edition of Tuesday Tips, and this is Jaspreet Seth here from Final Ratio. This week we will talk about imperfection. Yes, you heard me right. We are not going to talk about being Mr. Perfect. The thing is, we have to get the work done. In the initial stages, when you are going to do something, believe me, getting the work done is more important than getting it perfected. Because, my friend, if the work is done, you can come back and do the perfection. But if the work is not done at all, it can lead to being delays and fines and penalties. So whenever we are looking for doing something better, yes, it is good to do something better, but at least get the work started, get the work done, so that we are away from point A and we have reached somewhere towards point B and C. Going and doing those things wrong is wrong. I'm not saying that do it in a hurry and spoil them. I'm just saying that being done is better than being perfect. So, my friends, take heed of that advice and see you next week. This is Jaspreet Sethi here from Final Ratio.